In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Lovable Workspace. This is a task that might seem a little daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to head over to the Lovable dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You should see the profile icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up your user options. This icon is your gateway to managing your settings, and it's here where we'll access the tools you'll need for today's task. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, the next step is to simply click on the settings option. This selection will direct you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Lovable account. If at any point you feel unsure or stuck, simply ensure you are in the right section of the site. The settings page is crucial for account management changes. Now, from the settings, look for the section labeled Workspace. Head over there by selecting it. The Workspace area is essentially the hub where you can configure your specific workspace settings or, in this case, proceed with deleting it. This is where you can review workspace details before making any changes. After accessing the Workspace section, you should now click on your actual workspace name. This click-through will direct you to the internals of your specific workspace, allowing you to manage or overview specific attributes and configurations related to it. If you have multiple workspaces, be sure to select the correct one that you wish to delete. Next, you will need to scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you find the option that says Delete Workspace. It's typically positioned towards the bottom, so make sure to navigate down the page slowly to avoid missing it. Finally, clicking on the Delete Workspace button is your final action. Before you click, double check that this is indeed the workspace you want to remove, as this action is usually irreversible. Some platforms might prompt you for additional confirmation, and it might be wise to recheck any backups or crucial data you might need before proceeding. Once you're certain, go ahead and click to delete the workspace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully deleted your Lovable Workspace. If any additional confirmation or issues arise, make sure to refer to Lovable support for more assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and share if you found this information useful, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.